Have you ever noticed that some LinkedIn profiles or creators have their URLs personalized and links optimized? Instead of having just a jumble of letters and numbers, they have their name, brand name. Well, today I'm going to show you how can you find and customize your own one. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing is you're going to open your LinkedIn account and you're going to go to view your profile. And here on the top right, you can see your public profile and URL, and you can modify it by clicking on the pencil. In this case, since my name is Yasmina Akni, I have just written Yasmina Akni on the personalized and edited URL, and then you click on save. And that's it. Once you have this ready, once I search for this URL, it will open on my profile directly. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you have optimized your LinkedIn URL. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate and leave us a comment below.